All right, well, welcome. I'm Dan Gross from Gross Automation, and I'm here with my friend Sergio from Schlegel Elektrokontakt. Sergio, would you like to introduce yourself and maybe tell us a little bit about Schlegel?
Thank you, Dan. I'm Sergio Quiceno. I'm responsible for the business development for the company Schlegel in the Americas, North America, and Latin America. Good question. Schlegel, this is a through and through German company based in the south of Germany. The area is called Dürmentingen. You probably never heard of that, but it's close to the area Bodensee in south of Germany. Schlegel is a company that was founded in 1945. It's a family company, and throughout these close to 75 years, they have reached a very high standard and level of technology in the HMI, the human machine interfacing. Basically, what they started with was terminal blocks and limit switches. But from then and over the next years or decades, they developed a product line that is encompassing all kind of push buttons, generally speaking, push buttons, but also integrating the push buttons into the latest technologies of the intelligent industry 4.0, for instance. So we're also combining those traditional aspects of push buttons, signal giving, with the bus systems, with the networking capabilities such as bus, I/O links, and the communication can be just by simple cables, interconnection with cables, but also going with the latest technologies as wireless as well, and the like.
Well, I have to say, we've been in training this week, and you can see a little bit behind us on the screen at schlegelsales.com. A little bit of some of the push-button technology, and again, there's another slide that'll come up here with some pilot lights and a few other things. This is really nice stuff. I mean, these are really high quality. Everybody we've shown it to says that it's got a great hand feel and that it has a really great aesthetic. We talked a little bit about that, some of the awards that Schlegel has won. Could you tell me a little bit about that?
Oh, certainly, most delighted to do so. Schlegel is very proud of having in focus the quality and the design. German-made project is always it's always a statement in the quality itself. So this is a 100% made in Germany product line, and they have been awarded with more than 100 prizes. Can I say like that?
Yeah, absolutely.
For the design and the quality of it. Also here in the States, they have been also recognized for these features. So the products in itself is nice to look at. It adds to the aesthetic of the ensemble. So where they are installed, there is an aspect of aesthetic and also of high quality level.
Absolutely. And as we look at applications where we're going to be, looking for this, where would you say the real strengths? What are some of the industries, some of the applications that Schlegel is really proud to be in? I mean, we saw some really, really cool things. We saw operator interfaces in the cabs of vehicles. We've seen some food and beverage. Right. Is there an application or two, or maybe that you're most proud of?
Well, I would say that wherever you find machines and the machines need to interact with the operator, we are likely to find Schlegel there. So it's a very wide range of applications that we might cover, but we are very proud to be one of the few who can achieve a degree of protection that take us to the so-called IP69K classes. Mm-hmm. So there's very few who play at that level of the Liga, but other than that, we are proud to be serving many various industries. It could be the railway industries, it could be the shipping yards, for instance, but also the standards machine builders, and also the medical areas, also the food industry. So you find us everywhere there is a high demand, or there is a demand for a high quality product. So I wouldn't say that it's one or two branches where we are more more in there. But maybe the safety component is also an interesting aspect there with the or the emergency stops. We cover a large areas in this segment, and we are proud to be the suppliers for quite a number of well-renowned manufacturers in this area.
Absolutely. Some of the product that we've seen has been just absolutely gorgeous. It's big. It's easy to identify with lights, with LEDs inside that make it very clear that it is an emergency stop.
Right.
Laser lettering that really stands out. You can see it from across the room. It is really gorgeous. We have enjoyed having you here this week. This has been absolutely wonderful. Sergio lives in Germany, where he works with Schlegel. He's come in this week to work with us and train. And from here, you're heading to Mexico.
That's right.
Schlegel is having a wonderful year. You've expanded tremendously throughout the pandemic, more than 80%, I think Christoph told us.
Right, yes. We had the opportunity to have an exchange with Christoph this morning, and he shared with us that the results that the company has achieved in the past year exceeded by far any expectation, and we are plus 80% pre-pandemic times.
That is fantastic. And I'll tell you, anybody who gets their hand on the product, and we have some sample cases and other things here, anybody who gets their hand on the product just absolutely loves these products. And if that's you, please give us a call here. You can find our website at schlegelsales.com or grossautomation.com. Give us a call. You can call 262-252-1600 and ask for any of our trained sales team to be able to assist you. And we would be happy to introduce you to the Schlegel line. Thank you so much, Sergio, for being here this week.
For my pleasure, Don, and I thank you everybody for the welcome and the reception that I have here in Milwaukee. I'm looking forward to have a very, very interesting development over the next years here in the United States with cross automation. Thank you very much.
We look forward to having you back again soon. Thank you.
Most delighted.